guys, so today we're headed up to Pick Apart to grab some doors and a fender for this 2007 Lexus Rx350. You can see right here I tried to do a little bit of body work on it. These doors are pretty far gone, so we're gonna go head over to Pick Apart, get these things. And then also I need to get the navigation for this thing, but we'll see if that's there. A lot of that stuff's kind of gone quickly, but besides that, this thing's pretty straight. So I'll turn this back on once we get there. All right, so we just made it up here to Pick Apart. Looks like these doors might be on the third row up here, so we're gonna get to going. All right, guys, made it up here to the Lexus. We are missing a door, so someone took this door. We got the screen out though, which is good. I needed that. Daniel's over here taking the driver door off, so we still have this door, and then we still have a good fender, so not completely lost, but we will be looking for another door still.
Hey man, we gotta take the fender off first.
Okay. Oh, I remember how I did it. I took it off from the hinges.
Yeah,
so
this one's a little different though.
Is it? Yeah, I took it off from the inside of there.
From these ones, right?
No. Hold on. All right, guys, so we got the doors, or got one door, the navigation screen, and then the fender. Cost us $300 just for that, and then we still have to find a door. But we're headed over to E-Block now. Yeah. All right, guys, so we are currently in San Bernardino right now. I just picked up the other door for this Lexus. Kind of overpaid for it, but I needed it, and it was the same color, so can't really complain about that. Headed back home. I'm gonna throw this door on, and then we got the white door at the shop. I don't know if I'm gonna throw that one on yet or just wait till this weekend when we're gonna paint it, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we just made it back here to the shop. Got the damaged door here. It's our new fender from Pick Apart that we picked up yesterday. Our new door, and then this is our other door in here. I'm about to slap this one on real quick, and then I'll be done with this side of the car. And then maybe this weekend Anthony will prep these and shoot these, and then we'll be all done for the body work. I bought the screen from the 2005. I swapped it out, but the connectors were different, so I'm going to, or I already ordered another one, so I ordered the right one for the right year for this car, so that should be coming sometime next week. And then they have dash skins for these dashes. I'm gonna order one of those, and then this thing will be squared away and ready for sale. So yeah. we got our new door on. Pop the mirror on there. Color match is looking perfect. So about to throw the door panel on, and then I gotta just throw one more bolt in here, and we should be good. Alright guys, so continuing off where we left off, I got the door on the Lexus, and got everything back together, the door panel and everything. But today I'm headed up to Anthony's shop, about to get this white fender and white door painted that I got from Pick Apart. So yeah, it's a little early right now. Headed up there, and I'll turn this back on once we start prepping and painting and stuff. Alright, so just made it over here to Anthony's shop, getting the doors prepped. He had already got the fender prepped, and about to get to spraying this thing, be done. Have to take off some more stuff because we're going to spray the inside of the door. We don't want it to look white on the car. What?
Water coming from?
Probably from the compressor.
Here.
Huh?
Here. Put something on top. There's water shooting from here up there.
Alright guys, so here's our little final walk around of this Rx350 here. So yeah, we got this fender here and this door painted. It was all wrecked. And then this is our pick apart door that we swapped out. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so this is our pick apart door here. I got a couple little scratches here and there, but it looks way better. I still have a little bit of compound here that I gotta rub out, that I rubbing some scratches out, compound all on the side. But yeah, this thing turned out pretty good. We ended up getting our new screen off of eBay. Everything works on it now. Ended up taking it for smog. I still kind of want to get the dash cover for this. They have the rubber mat that looks kind of factory, and I feel like that will complete the whole car. We got no check engine lights. We got all the brake lights and stuff turned off. We changed all the sensors. But yeah, this thing is ready to go now. Ready for sale. The tires are good. Everything's good on it. So wrapping up this video. Just a little quick little rebuild. Kind of quick for you guys, but took a little while for me. But yeah, so this is it. This is it for the RX. And stay tuned for the next one.